G'day everyone, I'm doing a set out of this laundry now. I've tiled the ensuite floor, or 80%, and I'll just do a couple of cuts tomorrow when I'm on the floor. I find it a lot easier. With this I'm going to start a full tile and then go to the wall, which will give me about a 250mm cut against that wall, and then with a full tile going through there, it comes across. I've got a 250mm cut against that wall. If I would have started against this wall, which does make sense because there's cabinets going right along there, and it's going over the cut. But then I would have, if I went a full tile there, I'm coming through it about there, so it's a skinny piece at the doorway. And the way I'm doing it now, I've got a piece of, that would be 300mm, a foot long. So it's easy peasy. There's a cabinet going right through there, so I just need to cut a square hole for that waste because it's all going to be covered. So yeah, here we go. All right, see you soon.